Clara sat at her desk, scrolling through the endless stream of comments on her latest post. As usual, they were filled with praise. "You're so inspiring." "Couldn't agree more." "You always know what to say." At first, Clara enjoyed the validation. Being a digital influencer came with its perks: brand deals, loyal followers, and the satisfaction of knowing her voice made an impact. But lately, something felt off. No matter what she posted, everyone seemed to agree. She decided to test a theory. That night, she posted a photo of a pineapple pizza with the caption, "Pineapple on pizza is the best combo ever." The comments flooded in. "Yes, queen! Totally agree! Pineapple forever!" Clara frowned. She didn't even like pineapple on pizza. The next day, she tried again. This time, she wrote a post claiming, "Waking up at 4 a.m. is the key to success." Once more, her followers responded with enthusiasm. "Absolutely true. I'll start tomorrow. You're so right." Clara leaned back in her chair, confused. Were her followers really that agreeable? Or was something else going on? Determined to find answers, Clara posted a question. "Does anyone disagree with me? Be honest." The result? Silence. That's when Clara began digging into the analytics of her social media platform. She discovered that the algorithm was designed to prioritize engagement, likes, shares, and positive comments. Posts that sparked agreement were pushed to the forefront, while dissenting opinions were buried or never shown at all. Her followers weren't just agreeing with her, they were only seeing what the algorithm wanted them to see. Clara felt uneasy. This wasn't the genuine connection she thought she had built. Instead, she was trapped in a digital bubble, surrounded by an echo chamber of affirmation. She decided to push the boundaries further. Over the next week, Clara shared posts on more controversial topics: environmental policies, ethical dilemmas, and societal issues. Her engagement plummeted. Many of her followers stopped interacting altogether, but a small group began to emerge: people who were willing to discuss, question, and even challenge her ideas. The conversations were honest, sometimes messy, but they felt real. One night, Clara received a direct message from a follower named Sophia. "Shh. I appreciate your recent posts. It's refreshing to see someone question things instead of just going along with the crowd." Encouraged by messages like Sophia's, Clara decided to use her platform to address the issue directly. She posted a video explaining what she had learned about the algorithm and how it shaped the content people saw. She urged her followers to step outside their comfort zones, seek diverse perspectives, and question the narratives they were fed. The response was mixed. Some thanked her for the insight, while others accused her of overthinking. Brands began to hesitate on partnerships, worried about the shift in her content. Clara's follower count dropped. But for the first time, Clara didn't care about the numbers. She was building something more meaningful, a community that valued authenticity and critical thinking over blind agreement. Months later, Clara sat in a cafe, chatting with Sophia, who had become one of her close friends. Together, they brainstormed ideas for a new project, a podcast that explored tough questions, featured diverse voices, and encouraged open dialogue. As Clara looked out the window, she realized she had found freedom, not in popularity, but in breaking free from the bubble and embracing the messy, imperfect truth.